Talkio AI, the best AI for learning language. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how you can go through Talkio AI. So this is the AI and it is free for 7 days. You can utilize it up in order to learn a new language, and you can also practice a language that you know but you are not confident with. So you can simply sign up for a free trial, though it will require your credit card details, but you can cancel it up at any time. After logging into your account on Talkio AI, you would be able to find various features that will help you practice the language. You can practice by speaking, and the AI would be able to recognize whatever you are saying, and the AI would be replying to you according to your sentences, and you would also be getting the text format of whatever you are speaking. Also the AI is speaking. You would be getting suggestions as well, so you can just simply speak to the AI just the way you speak to any human out there, but you would be getting the realistic conversation building replies from the AI that would be quite helpful for you in order to learn the language and practice it. There are a set of 40 plus languages in this particular model, and you would be getting the translations for them as well. You can simply select any language. You would be getting romanization of that particular script, which means that you would be getting the English version of all the languages out there for you to understand it and speak it up. You would also be getting the actionable feedbacks, like how you can improve your vocabulary and your words and all the sentences that you form. So this way you would be able to improve on your language skills. You can practice the pronunciation of all the words that you speak, and you can just repeat it and try it, and there is unlimited practice for you. You can also keep track of the words that you will be learning from this AI in the platform itself, and this way you would be able to revise them in order to use them in the future in a better way. So this is how this AI would be able to help you out in a more sufficient and efficient way in order to learn a new language. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.